Hello, and welcome to Administrative Controls Management's Construction Claims Course Overview. In this 3-day course, participants will learn the ins and outs of construction delays as well as the issues related to them. A review of contemporary construction claims shows that delays and the resulting time extensions are among the most costly and complex issues to resolve. Delays are difficult to analyze because they often involve the impact on schedules of disputed issues such as late approvals, the impact of changed work on unchanged work, and constructive changes. This course explains these and many related issues, plus typical contract clauses and their importance. Key issues and examples are discussed with a focus on how alleged impact delays are analyzed, plus the impact to the critical path. Methods of pricing contractor direct, indirect, and impact costs are also presented, along with a discussion of liquidated damages, how they are determined and applied, and stipulating liquidated damages versus actual damages in contract. Typical schedule submittal requirements, which address the contractor's right to finish early, the manipulation of scheduled activities, and how non-critical activities can be shown as critical, are also reviewed in this seminar. Claim awareness includes a review of liability and the duties of the parties, inspections and acceptance, progress and final payment, project documentation, and methods for dispute resolution. In order to provide the best experience for this course, participants will receive a comprehensive workbook prepared by ACM that will allow them to take notes and follow along. If you would like to learn more about this course or the other courses that ACM has to offer, please reach out by phone at 734-995-9640 or go to acmpm.com for more information. ACM has office locations in Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio, and our vision is to be your first choice for project management. At ACM, we aim to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to our clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.